Hello everyone, this is my overview of my SLP website. When you first get onto my website and click the link, you will be brought to my home page, which shows a little bit about me and my pictures. It also gives my reason for taking this class. If you go up to the top and click the home tab, you'll be brought to my intro page, and that is my overview of my SLP. As well as a cute little diagram of a cell or plant and animal cells and their differences. Next thing you would go to is my standards address, and this just tells you the standards that my SLP focuses on and the other standards that also relate to it if you scroll down. My theory page, you get a little blurb about which theory I chose, and then you can see my theoretical connections and how I related them to my SLP, which was differentiation. Next, if you move over to the connecting to content knowledge, you will get my narrative on over connections, which is just an NSTA article. And then we also have a content module or content article from National Geographic that I chose. Moving right along, if you click on the headings on either of these, it'll give you a little blurb about what's under the heading, so keep that in mind as you're navigating through my site. Under this heading, you'll find my e-learning module, my lesson plan that goes with my SLP or my standard for my SLP, how we can use trade books in order to integrate science or finding the science in trade books, and then also how we meet the needs of our diverse learners. If you take a look at my meeting the needs of diverse learners, there are some links that you could follow to learn a little bit more about integrating science into other content areas and being culturally responsive in doing so. So a lot of the times we are focused more on just getting a lesson taught, but we need to focus more on how it's reaching our students. So this gives you a little bit of information on how we can do that. Under my additional resources tabs, you will find my PSA for the app that I chose, some STEM careers that are related to my SLP, and there's also links, a link to the cabinets of curiosity, and then also my virtual field trip, which is interactive. And you can click and navigate through that as well. And it gives you the standard that I focused on, gives you some learning goals, and it jumps right into that. I also want to go back to the PSA for the app that I chose. That is a tool that you can use, and you can also see the link to that app down below at the bottom of my PSA. The last thing I wanted to show you is my e-learning module. Each of these will open into a new window, and you'll be able to see whatever resource you want it to. So if I clicked on plants and animal cell parts, it would take me to the PowerPoint or Google Slides that I created to go along with that. And just like the Start Here page for my e-learning module and all the directions that you will need to complete the e-learning module. I hope this SLP gives you some resources if you were teaching this standard, and some ideas on what and takeaways for integrating and differentiating this standard.